karong ito. Kaya nangali pulang mo dyan ay sukarinya. Oh, hi there. Are you wondering what I'm doing right now? Well, during the rice harvest season, people in Anjer usually doing this to separate the rice from the grain. This process called menampi baras. Every time we harvest rice in Anjer, the villagers will celebrate it by cooking, eating together, and expressing gratitude to God, as the most of the people here are Muslim. This is even called Bislamatan. Want to know more about it? Then, let me introduce myself first. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Helda Anastasia Zalha, and I'm from SMP Negeri 4 Alalak, Barita Kuala. I am known as a smart and confident girl in my school. And today, I'm even more confident to share my story about Anjer Serapat. I'm not actually from Anjer Serapat, but my parents are from there. Then, I'm going to tell about that town. The reason is because of the uniqueness of the hometown. During the holiday, I'm usually visiting to Anjer Serapat to spend my holiday there, especially when there's a wedding invitation from my cousin. My Anjer's family will excitedly welcome us with pleasure, cooking food for us, and had a long and fun conversation together. And once we want going back to home, they will give us a small gift to bring it back to our place. It could be baras anjir, mangga kuini, and jorok siang. And in the wedding event of my cousins, there will be many of cultural rituals like bamani-mani panganten and bosong panganten. Bamani-mani panganten means that the groom and the bride will take a shower together. But wait, they are still wearing appropriate clothes since it will be sewn to the others. With flower hanging around their neck, and they break a coconut on their head and spilling it, so the coconut water will dripping along their face. And they also need to drink the coconut water as well. Bamani-mani panganten usually done before the wedding day starts. The purposes of bamani-mani panganten is to avoid bathing, cancel fashion, and purify oneself. I'd love to watch that one as well. Then, in the wedding event, the show of bosong panganten will begin. The father of the bride will lift his daughter on his shoulders and spinning around, accompanying by traditional music from Banjar and spinning umbrella. The groom also lifted by his own father on his shoulders and they were spinning around. This one show was so much fun to watch as well. Everyone put their enduring smile during that one event. But, unfortunately, my auntie literally forgot to put offerings or called sesajen to the ancestor. In every Banjar wedding, we usually need to put this to avoid bad thing like get possessed by the ancestor. But because it was already late, so during the bosong panganten, the bride slowly awkward and strange, and finding out if she's get possessed by the ancestor. Then, an elder woman coming to the bride with a glass of water in her hand and gave it to the bride. This old woman called Nini Penambaan in Anjer. She's helping people to cure mystical diseases like kapuhunan, kerasukan, and others. Well, exhale in relief as the bride slowly get possessed by the ancestor, even though she's passed over a moment. And the wedding ceremony is finally ended as the sun began to set. As the wedding ceremony is finally over, I want to change my clothes into a new one. I went to the kitchen to saw my auntie preparing for the meals. I saw her winnowing the rice before she cooked it. Then I asked her, Achil, what is the purpose of winnowing the rice before we cook it? Is there any different? Then she replied as she continued to winnowing the rice. Oh, let's ensure the rice are fully clean and separated from the grain. This process called menapi baras. Have you ever heard about it? I shook my head if I should wonder if I ever heard about menapi baras. And that's how I know about menapi baras since she told me about it. After we talked for a moment, then I decided her to help in her for preparing for the meals. And she's teaching me how to winnowing the rice like this. The fresh air filling in my nostrils, the rustle noise of the rice sounded like a therapy for me. By all the things I have experienced in Anjer Serapat, It realizes me to make this town known by other place for its uniqueness and still beautiful ecosystem. It's also the reason for me to do study more, so I could introduce my hometown to the world or to succeed in the future. Oh wait, I forgot to help my mother to deliver those suckers born to the mill. Well, see you guys on the next time. It's great to share my story about Anjar Serapat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.